From pulling people from destroyed cars after a wreck to rescuing people from a burning building, firefighters have to know how to save lives safely and effectively. That's what the Labette Community College Fire School aims to do. KOM's Zach Dodge has an inside look at what it feels like to return to normal life for many participating.
Seth Jones has been a firefighter in Parsons for almost a year now, joining right after getting home from the military. He says so far the training never really stops.
You kind of get consumed with all the work, but I mean it's all worth it. It's awesome. It becomes a lifestyle.
That very much includes right now as he joins firefighters from all over the state for Labette Community College's Fire School.
The main purpose why this started was just to offer training to all different types of firemen.
The school offers more than 20 different classes, like putting out grass fires, getting through bolted doors, and running a truck without a full crew.
Learn techniques or skills or anything that you can do to still perform primary tasks like stretching a hose line, doing a primary search, forcing a door, and those type of things with a very small crew.
It doesn't remove the need for their certifications, but it does give them skills that are very beneficial, especially for volunteer firefighters.
A lot of those volunteers don't have the financial backing to be able to send their firefighters to a 2-week-long firefighter training. This gives them some live training that they would never be able to get.
Now, this is the 34th year for the fire school, but it's still pretty special because it's the first to actually happen since 2019.
It's wonderful to see people's smiles again, to actually interact and be able to do these things.
Helping firefighters continue their education so they can help save more lives.
Ultimately, we're responsible for a lot of these guys' lives, and when something like this happens, we want to jump all over.
In Parsons, Zach Dodge, KOAM News.
Fire school ends tomorrow. Firefighters from more than 30 departments across Kansas signed up for the class.